How to remove a heating element from an electric hot water heater. Most home hot water heaters have two elements, an upper and a lower. However, this is not always the case. There are minis and different configurations. Some may only have one, but as a general rule, a 40 to 50 gallon hot water heater will in many cases have two elements, an upper and a lower. This is the element for the upper, and the lower would be the same. This is a 3500, there are 3500, 4500. So the question is, how does one remove an element? First, go to the breaker box, find a 30 amp breaker that feeds your element. Turn the breaker off. Secondly, go to the hot water heater, remove the panel, remove the insulation, remove the plastic piece. Once done, there will be two wires. One wire on one side of the screw, another wire on the other side of the screw. With all certainty that the power is off, remove both wires. Hence, the element should be not attached to anything. Then this is the real solution. There are many different tools. This is one you can buy from your box store. So this tool here, it may read 1.5 inches inside diameter. You will have to fact check that and be sure yourself. There is a socket that one can put on a breaker bar and do the same thing. So what does one do? Next, one must drain the hot water heater, if possible, to drain it below the element line. Because if you remove this element with the water in, water is going to come gushing out at a high pressure. So next, take this tool you can get from your box store, plumbing supply house, and take this tool, affix it onto the end of here. Once on here, with all power off, with all wires removed, take a screwdriver, insert it into this hole. Be sure that the screwdriver is solid metal. It's not a cheaply made screwdriver. You don't want to break it and whatnot, but just make sure that say the Phillips head screwdriver will fit into this hole, come out the other side, and make sure the metal is solid. Again, righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. So we're going to go left with this. Rotate this left with the handle. The screwdriver will give you some torque. Then you will notice the element comes out. And then you can visually inspect the element once out. Put the new one in. Make certain that this rubber washer is on there and the rubber washer is not cracked. Because if you do, it will leak. So again, go to the breaker box, turn breaker off, remove panel, remove wires, put tool onto here, turn counterclockwise, and the element should screw out counterclockwise. If you like this video, please like and subscribe.